So hello guys, I guess you guys know that last week two massive open source LM models has been released. So two models by two Chinese companies, that is one is Kimi 2 by Moonshot and another is Qwen3 coder by Alibaba. And these two open source model have been beating Claude 4 Sonnet. Like it can be compared with Claude 4 Sonnet, which is a totally a proprietized model. So today I'm gonna compare these three models, that is Claude 4 Sonnet, Kimi K2 and Qwen3 coder by Alibaba. So yeah, you can see that Kimi 2 was released first and Qwen3 coder has been released 3 to 4 days ago. So yeah, the parameters are unknown to us for the Claude 4 Sonnet. I guess everyone have used Claude 4 Sonnet till now, but these two models are totally comparable to Claude 4 Sonnet and even sometimes better than Claude 4 Sonnet. So today I'm not gonna compare Claude 4 Opus, but yeah, let's go with these three models for now. And we can see that it has Kimi K2 has around 1 trillion parameters and Qwen3 has 480 billion parameters. That's huge, yeah. And but the active were only 32 and 35. So yeah, both these are totally open source. They have released their open weights, and you can see the context window. The context window is around Claude 4 Sonnet is 200k, and Kimi K2 is 128k, and the Qwen3 has a massive context length, but yeah, it ranges from 256 to scalable to 1 million, 1 million also. But price changes around after 256k, the output tokens have more costly. So let me take you with the costing. So as you know, Claude 4 Sonnet is very expensive. Like you can see, input is $3 per million tokens, and output is around $15 per million output tokens. And here you can see that Kimi K2 is that cheap, 0.15 and 2.5. Input output, very cheap. But in Qwen3 coder there is a tricky thing, that is the input is 1 to 6. It ranges after the context window becomes more than 256k. So the range also, the costing also varies 1 to 6, and the output tokens is very high if the context window increases. So for context window till 256k, it's $5, but then it gradually increases, and at 1 million context window, it has around $60 per million output token. So it's very huge. So yeah, I'm just comparing the pricing of their official API and not the other APIs. So you can see the other provider also. You can look for Open Router, and you can see other provider also, but their official API pricing is this thing. So yeah. And about supporting images, this Claude 4 Sonnet and Qwen3 coder have support of images, but Kimi K2 does not have. And the output speed, the output speed is around this Claude 4 Sonnet is medium, that is around 80 tokens per second, but this Kimi K2 is very less actually by their official API. But the grok, that is, let me show grok, not GROK, let me show grok cloud. Grok Cloud has Kimi K2. This is Grok Cloud, the Kimi K2 instruct. You can see the speed around 200 tokens per second. You can compare the speed, it's totally so fast that you can just prompt and it will do the changes. And both the Kimi K2 and this Qwen3 coder is good at agentic coding, agentic task, agentic coding, and every agentic things. And the pricing is little bit changed here from the official ones. But yeah, you can see where is it? Yep. So you can see the pricing is little bit of change in the Grok Cloud because it's super fast. So you can just compare the speeds from here, and then let me show you the benchmarks also. They have mentioned in their websites. Although you can compare a model just simply by benchmarks, still you can see in the Kimi K2 website, they have released the benchmarks also, SW bench verified. You can see where it stands when compared with Claude 4 Opus. And you can see in the live code benchmarks it crosses Claude Opus. So you can you can see that open source models beating the proprietary models. So you can just see the benchmarks. Although yeah, you can compare just using benchmarks, you can compare models. Still you can see the Qwen3 coder also, the benchmarks are available in their website, the official website. So yeah, and I would recommend to test on all the three models and see which for your use case, which one is good. So what you can do is you can just go to Open Router also is there, and yeah, you can go to open router, this open router website, and you can just search Kimi K2. You can see the free models is there, that is Moonshot, Kimi K2 free, but the free ones would have rate limits, so you can go with the paid ones. There is Kimi K2, the paid one, so you can go with the paid ones, and it also have Qwen3 coder, so you got the free model as well as the Qwen3 coder paid models. So also what I did is I just used one extension, that is when you search here KiloCode. So KiloCode is one extension where it gives around $20 of free credits. So this extension is just like Klein or RuCode if you have used, so you can use it. Also after installing it, you would see something like this, and when you go to settings and sign up, it will give around $20 of free credit, so you can choose any model. So you can choose the provider from here. You can also choose open router here. I have choose KiloCode, so because it gives the $20 free, and you can choose the model. You just need to paste the KiloCode API key and then model. You can choose like I have choose Kimi K2 here. You can also choose Qwen3 coder as well. I guess it's there. Qwen3 coder is also there. Also they have also got Claude 4 Sonnet, so you can try out all the three models from KiloCode. Also you can try. So yeah, you can see, you can just save it and it's done, and you can just prompt. I have one requirement file, and you can just have requirement files is better to have. So then you can just prompt, let's build this vibecoding, or just use it on your use case and compare which one is the best, because like after comparing also you should use the model and see which one is good. At least you should try with the free $20 credits the KiloCode gives, so then you will understand which model is good for you. Yeah, so I have just tried with some front-end basic apps, web apps. So let me show you. Let me take you to let me take you to all the things, all the three things that is I have built with the same thing. I have built with Claude 4 Sonnet, Qwen3 as well as Kimi K2. So let me show what it has built. I had the requirement files and I just told to build it. So Claude 4 Sonnet, it didn't come up with a good front end. We know Claude 4 Sonnet is good at coding, but the front end tasks are not that great enough. You can see the transactions are like the pages are blank here, but when we go to like Kimi K2, the animations and everything is good enough. Like you can see the transactions are there, the analytics is there, you can choose, even go to settings, export, import, clear. You can choose the themes as well, so it's good enough. So the like if you are doing front end, so both this Kimi K2 as well as, let me show the Qwen3 one also, you can see the polished website, the animation, slide animations, dashboard, transactions, analytics, category settings, and also the themes. So yeah, the like it's both the Kimi K2 as well as Qwen3 is good at front end. I didn't test out with all the my other logics, but yeah, you can just go with the free Kimi like a KiloCode $20 free credits and try it out and see which one like fits the best in your use case. So yeah, that was a basic comparison between these three models. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share, subscribe and all those stuff, and let's see in our next video. Till then, peace.